School versus Teachable. Which online course platform is better? Hey guys, in this video, I am going to show you which online course platform is better among Skool and Teachable. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So, beginning with Skool. Skool provides an intuitive and clean interface that is easy to navigate for both instructors and students. Emphasizes building a community around your course, offering integrated forums and group discussions to enhance student interaction. Includes gamification elements like points and leaderboards, which can increase student engagement and motivation. Combines course hosting, community building, and engagement tools in one platform, making it convenient for educators. Integrates smoothly with other tools and platforms, allowing for easy management of marketing and sales. Lacks advanced marketing tools and analytics, which might be a drawback for some creators. Offers fewer customization options for course design compared to other platforms like Teachable. As a newer platform, it may have fewer features and integrations compared to more established platforms. Now, let's come towards Teachable. Teachable offers a wide range of tools for creating and managing courses, including multimedia support, quizzes, and drip content. Includes built in marketing features like sales pages, affiliate programs, and advanced analytics to help creators promote their courses. Provides more customization options for course pages and design, allowing creators to tailor their courses to their brand. As an established platform, Teachable has a large user base and a proven track record of reliability and support. Offers various pricing plans from free to advanced, catering to different levels of creators and businesses. May have a steeper learning curve for new users due to its extensive features and customization options. Charges transaction fees on lower tier plans, which can add up for creators with a high volume of sales. While it supports student interactions, it lacks the integrated community and engagement features that Skool offers. Choosing between Skool and Teachable depends on your specific needs and preferences. In 2024, the better choice depends on whether you value community focused features and ease of use Skool or advanced customization and marketing capabilities Teachable. That's all for this video.